This video I will explain how to use Google Pay for contactless payments at stores. First we will see what is Google Pay. Google Pay is a mobile payment app made by Google. Using that you can pay at stores online and send money to the people using your smartphone. The special thing about Google Pay is it can make contactless payments, which means you can pay without swiping your card or using cash. You have to just tap your phone on the payment machine. What is contactless payment? Contactless payment means paying by simply tapping your phone on a card reader at store. You don't have to hand over your card or type in your PIN for most small payments. It uses technology called NFC, which is nothing but near field communication. In simple terms, NFC allows two devices placed very close together to exchange information safely, like your phone and store's payment machine. To use Google Pay contactless payments, you need a smartphone with NFC. You can check this NFC in your phone settings. The Google Pay app installed on your phone. A Google account, the same one you use for Gmail or YouTube. A credit card or debit card added to Google Pay. Screen lock enabled for security. You have to turn on NFC. Open your phone settings, search for NFC, make sure it is turned on. This allows your phone to communicate with the store's payment machine. You have to set Google Pay as default payment app. If your phone asks which app to use for contactless payments, then you have to choose Google Pay as a default. Now we will see how to make a contactless payment at a store. You have to look for a contactless symbol on the payment machine. It looks like a Wi-Fi symbol turned sideways. You have to unlock your phone using your PIN, fingerprint, or face unlock. Hold the back of your phone close to the payment machine for a few seconds. You will feel a small vibration or see a check mark on your screen. That means your payment was successful. The cashier will receive a confirmation that the payment went through. That's it. You have just paid using Google Pay contactless. Now we will see safety and security part. Google Pay is designed to be very secure. Your actual card number is never shared with the store in the contactless payment. Google Pay uses virtual card number to protect your real details. You must unlock your phone before each payment. This prevents others from using it if it is lost or stolen. Every transaction is encrypted, which means your information is protected during the payment process. Now we will see where you can use contactless payment. You can use it in supermarkets and retail stores like grocery shops or malls. You can use it in restaurants, cafes, and petrol stations. You can use it in public transport systems in some cities. You have to just make sure the store's payment machine supports contactless payments or has a tap to pay logo. If contactless payment does not work, what you can do is check if NFC is turned on your phone. Make sure your phone screen is unlocked. Confirm that your card supports contactless payments. You try holding your phone closer or in slightly different angle near the machine. You have to ask if the store's terminal support Google Pay. Some older machines might not support contactless payment. You have to go to the phone settings, search for NFC, and here you can see NFC and contactless payment. You can enable this. Now we will see the summary. You have to install Google Pay and sign in, add your card, turn on NFC in your phone, unlock phone and tap near the machine. Wait for success check mark.